Let's embark on a journey to transform your shed into a weatherproof haven. By focusing on proper insulation and sealing, you can protect your tools and belongings from harsh weather. This not only extends the life of your shed, but also creates a comfortable space for your projects. Now that you've got the motivation, let's dive into some practical tips for insulating your shed without breaking the bank. Applying these methods helps maintain the ideal temperature, ensuring your storage solution remains functional regardless of the weather. You can and should use affordable caulk, weather stripping, and foam board insulation to seal gaps in walls. Install a moisture barrier under the flooring to protect against ground dampness. Focus on insulating the roof and doors first for the biggest impact on comfort and energy savings. By implementing these strategies, you are maximizing your shed's potential. Tackling insulation and weatherproofing doesn't need to be daunting. With a little effort and creativity, your shed can become an insulated retreat that stands up to any season. Download this ebook to learn more today.